The news update just coming in that the court dismissed 4 pleas filed by the Indian National Congress on similar terms as its earlier judgment, whereby identical pleas of the political party were dismissed regarding the reassessment proceedings for 3 years. That's a huge setback for Congress in tax probe case. The Delhi High Court has dismissed 4 Congress pleas. News has just come in that the court has dismissed 4 pleas filed by the Indian National Congress on similar terms as its earlier judgment, whereby identical pleas of the political party were dismissed regarding the reassessment proceedings for 3 years. Now, news just coming in that 6 judges have written to the Chief Justice of Pakistan accusing ISI of intimidation. 6 sitting judges have exposed the role of the ISI. They wrote an open letter accusing the Pakistan spy agency of intimidating and coercing them over politically consequential cases. Now, the 6 judges of the Islamabad High Court in the capital urged the Supreme Judicial Council to look into the allegations against officials belonging to the Inter-Services Intelligence. My colleague Kaswar is joining us from Islamabad. Kaswar, news just coming in that 6 judges have written to the Chief Justice of Pakistan accusing ISI of intimidation and influencing decision-making.
Well, you have rightly pointed out that 6 judges of Islamabad High Court have written to Supreme Judicial Council, and they accuse Pakistan's premier and influential inter-services intelligence of meddling in judges' matters, influencing their judgment. And also, one of the most horrible aspects of this letter is they accuse the ISI officials of kidnapping and threatening their family members and their surveillance as well. It is actually a charge sheet against Pakistan's powerful ISI. We cannot. I am not in a position to give my own analysis, but itself, the publication of this letter, writing this letter to the Judicial Council of Pakistan is itself a big, huge bang, and this is what is happening in Islamabad. We don't know the official version coming from ISI and Pakistan's powerful armed forces as well. We don't know about their version, but itself it is a big, huge bang. And if you go through the letter, there is they have the 6 judges of Islamabad High Court have clearly written that ISI officials allegedly have been influencing and surveilling their family members as well. It's a horrible situation that is coming out of Islamabad, and it is unprecedented.
Right, Kashwar, do we know whether Supreme Judicial Council has reacted to the letter? Have they assured them of any action, or what are they going to do in this matter against the allegations that have come up against ISI?
What we know so far is that Chief Justice of Pakistan Supreme Court have hinted that they would form 15-member, a full bench to discuss this situation as well. But so far, as your question is concerned, we don't know what is the reaction from the Supreme Judicial Council and what they have done so far. We don't know, because this letter was come to the court only 3 days back on 5th of March, and there are procedures to discuss such matters as well. But one thing is for sure, that is that Supreme Judicial Council will have to give reaction to this letter that was written by not the ordinary people, but the judges of Islamabad High Court, the people who are very educated, very learned, and nobody can ignore this letter as well. We will have to wait until there is a reaction from Supreme Judicial Council of Pakistan, because this is the supreme body in Pakistan which takes these matters and they discuss these matters as well. We will have to wait because it is just a 3 days old matter. But so far, we could not get reaction from ISI because they don't have to give reaction, and also no reaction from the armed forces as well. Even the Supreme Court of Pakistan will have to give reaction to this letter as well, which itself, according to analysts, actually a charge sheet against Pakistan's premier intelligence agency. We will have to wait until there's a reaction from any quarter, from any stakeholder on this letter.